So in this video, you'll learn how to block calls from unknown numbers on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want to stop receiving spam calls, or you just want to have that added security of not being able to receive numbers from people you don't know, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the phone app and then tap on Keypad. Under Keypad, select the three dots in the top right corner and tap on Settings. In your call settings menu, select Block Numbers, and then you should see the option Block Calls from Unknown Numbers. So to enable it, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. And so now, when I receive a call from a number not saved onto your device, it will automatically be blocked. If you want to view which numbers have been blocked, just go to your Recent tab in the phone app, and then next to a blocked number, you should see the blocked icon right there. So currently, this number right here has been blocked and it's in blue, which means that it's been successfully blocked because it's not a number saved onto my phone. And so that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.